Welcome back to the deep dive. We're here to cut through all the noise and get straight to the insights that matter. And today, it's all about precision. These words offer some great aha moments.
Exactly. So we're going through 5 pairs. We're going to get into the spelling, the apostrophes, the spaces, all of it. Let's start with movement.
Okay.
Emigrate versus immigrate, they sound so similar.
They do. They describe the same action moving, but from opposite points of view. The key is to think about the first letter. E is for exit.
E for exit. I like that.
So if you emigrate, you're leaving a country. You're emigrating from Spain. The focus is on the out.
Got it. And then immigrate, which starts with an I, that must be for in. Exactly. You immigrate to a country.
Right.
So the same person emigrates from Spain and immigrates to the United States. It's just about your perspective.
Simple when you put it like that. Okay, what's next?
Every day, 2 words versus every day, 1 word.
Ah, yes. This one can be tricky. So 2 words, every day. That's about frequency, right? Like, I read the news every day. It answers the question when.
Precisely. It's an adverbial phrase. But then you push them together into 1 word every day, and suddenly it's an adjective. It means, ordinary or routine.
So you'd say, checking my email is an everyday task.
You've got it. One describes when you do something, the other describes what kind of thing it is. That little space changes the entire job of the word.
Okay, from structure to intention. This next pair is huge. Infer and imply.
This is absolutely critical for anyone analyzing, well, anything.
So to imply, that's what the speaker does, right?
Yeah.
They're sort of pushing an idea out there without saying it directly.
Yes, they are the source. They're dropping a hint. But to infer, that's what the listener or the reader does. You're pulling the meaning in.
So a source might imply something with its tone, and from that I infer its true position.
That's the perfect way to put it. One is sending, the other is receiving. Getting them mixed up means you're confusing your conclusion with the author's intent.
A very dangerous mix-up. Okay, let's go to what might be the most common error in writing.
I think I know which one you mean.
It's versus its, the battle of the apostrophe.
The notorious one. And it's tricky because it feels like it breaks a rule we all learned.
It really does. So let's clarify. ITS, no apostrophe, is the possessive one, like his or hers. The company shared its quarterly report.
Right. And IT apostrophe S is always a contraction for it is or it has.
So the test is simple then.
So simple. If you can replace the word with it is in your sentence, you need the apostrophe. If you can't, you don't. That's it.
An outlier that catches everyone. Okay, our final pair for today. This one is about the vowel sound. Lose versus loose.
Yes, the single O versus the double O. Let's start with lose, L-O-S-E. It's a verb.
Right. It means you misplace something or, you fail to win a game. You don't want to lose your keys. It has that Z sound.
Exactly. And then you have loose, L-O-O-S-E, double O. That's almost always an adjective.
It means something isn't tight. My shoelaces are loose, and it has a clear Z sound, loose.
That's the difference right there. The sound and the spelling tell you everything. One is an action, the other is a description.
And when you, tie this all together, this isn't just about grammar.
Not at all. It's about credibility. It's about precision. If you confuse these words in an important document or analysis, it undermines your entire point. You lose clarity.
So the takeaway is pay attention to the details, the little things, the apostrophes, the spaces, the single letters. They can shift the entire meaning of what you're trying to read or write.
They absolutely can.
So here's a final thought for you to explore on your own. Think about the words disinterested versus uninterested. One means you're impartial and neutral. The other means you're bored. How often do you see those confused, and what's the real cost of mixing them up? Something to chew on.